Oh, this is Merad from Kolena, and I want to show you how Kolena's agents can streamline customer call processing. I'm going to go ahead and a create an agent, going to give it a name. And to start defining my agent's task, I'm going to drop a sample audio file for my agent to define its task based on. Note that you can upload files of many formats to define your agent's tasks. I'm going to go ahead and create this agent. And then what we do with the file that you have provided, we actually transcribe that file, which is a call, into the text with speaker diarization so we know how many speakers are in there and what each speaker is saying at different timestamps. I'm going to go ahead and create my agent's first task. Let's say I want the agent to provide me a call summary, so I have an understanding what this is about. And I know that these calls are for a rental car pickup and drop off. I'm going to ask it to extract the drop off time and date. We can do the same thing with pickup time and date. And let's say it is important for me to know if the agents actually mentioned during the call that it is being recorded. So I'm going to ask that as well. And then lastly, I want to know what is the customer sentiment in that call. As you can see, we go ahead and start extracting this information. So this is a call about difficulty using some rewards program and issues um, with booking directly from Hertz, and it was not resolved. So actually, that gave me an idea. Let me just go ahead and ask, um, is there a resolution? I'm going to go ahead and create that extraction as well. And we can see here drop-off pickup time. The agent is able to go through, grab a date for when the drop-off of pickup times are. We see that here the agent did not mention if the call it was being recorded. We provide reasoning so that you can see why a certain extraction has happened the way it did. And also here for customer sentiment, we see that the customer sentiment is negative, and the reasoning is that it opens with not so good, expresses frustrations, shows skepticism about the system, um, growing impatient, signs of frustration. So a very detailed understanding of what happened during that call and that the customer was frustrated. And also we can see that as the summary indicated, there was no resolution. So this is an example of a single call. You can very easily integrate this with your systems so that all the calls as they happen come in and the agent is able to run the extractions on those. For this demo, I am just adding 2 additional calls to show you how easy it is to automate this process. Now, as the files are uploaded, the agent starts the transcription process, and after that, it will start extracting the information that I asked it to. And with the extractions completed, I can see at a glance that there are a number of times. There's 2 calls that the agent forgot to mention the call is being recorded. There is 1 call that a resolution has been achieved and the customer sentiment was neutral, but both of these times that a resolution was not achieved, the customer sentiment was negative. You can go ahead and download this as a CSV, or you can set up your connections with your source and destinations so that this information appears automatically in your destination and it is picked up automatically from your sources. And just like that, you've set up an agent that will help you streamline the customer call processing. Thank you very much.